J Mac from Syracuse, New York, man. Came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch that brought you out here?
The pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Way from Texas, yes sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the pregame show.
Neely, pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put your up on game. The only way we can accomplish that goal is we smart, tough, fast, disciplined, and we have character. We would not beat ourselves with self-inflicted wounds. It won't be because of me. It won't be because of you. It won't be because of you. It won't be because of you or nobody in this room. We're going to be dominant today, but we're going to be disciplined. Let's take what's ours. Let's take what's ours. Let's take what's ours. I just want to get out there and go play so bad right now. But I want you guys to play to the best of your ability. We have yet to do that. Special teams, you got to be special. Defense, let's stop the run. Offense, let's run the ball and protect that quarterback. We know darn well what we're going to do when we accomplish that. Guys, you wouldn't be in here if I didn't believe in you. And we understand that you believe in us. Be coachable, be tough, be disciplined, but be you. All right? Let's have the audacity to be disciplined until it's time to let it go. And y'all know what I'm talking about, right, defense? Yes, sir. Offense, same thing. No mistakes first drive. We good with that? Yes, sir. No mistakes first drive. We good with that? Yes, sir. Let's go down and score. And let's do what we've been blessed to do. Then in that fourth quarter, we're going to have some fun. We right? Yes, sir. I don't know what y'all chose, but give me that theme music.
field. Today's game features the Utah Utes and your Colorado Buffaloes. To midfield for today's coin toss.
Good luck, gentlemen. Utah, you're the visitors. You'll call the toss. This is heads and tails. What did you call it? Heads. Heads? The call is heads. And it is heads. Utah's won the toss with a further option to the second half. You'll receive. You want to take that way and flip around for me, then, please. To begin the game, Colorado will receive. Good luck, Ben. Good luck.
Do not come off the field without points. Don't come off the field without points. Let's go.
Every week, we ain't on to do. It's about us. It's always on us. Let's go out there and get that fucking money today. All right, don't make them do. 1, 2.
Alejandro Mata onto attempt the point.
Yeah! Chain coming.
The kick is good, and with 7:51 remaining in the first quarter, the score, Colorado 7, Utah 3.
Fuck your points.
And now, fans, time to get on your feet. We've got the Taco Bell Live Toss T-shirt toss. We need everybody to get loud if you want a free T-shirt from your Colorado volleyball team and Ralphie handlers. And thank you to our friends from Taco Bell. Who wants a T-shirt?
Got to shut down the fucking run. Y'all understand that? So getting all that shit, your fucking hand and put your fucking hands on people. You understand that? They got nothing for us. They got nothing for us. Eyes on our keys. Let's knock this shit out and then let's go get this motherfucker. Let's go do what we do. Come on, the fucking way y'all do what we do. Let's shut down this run and then let's get another motherfucker. They got nothing. They got nothing. Let's be about that shit. Let's be on that shit. Hey, if we tell y'all he moved, slide it. No, y'all tell him slide right, because they told us slide that, top it on there. Double left. Double left, get a move. Hey, let's turn the fuck up. Here we go. Let's get a break. Hey, dominate on me. 1, 2, 3. Dominate. Hey, they tap your ass. Let's move. Hey, they tap your ass. Let's move. Hey, they tap your ass. Let's move when they turn. Hey, y'all slap that ball out at the goal line. Same shoulder, same foot. Run it like that. You got the ball.
31 yards. Bernard, the ball carrier. Fumble on the play, recovered by Utah. Wilson pressured by number 40, Tajay McCoy. Shiloh Sanders in coverage for the Buffaloes. It's 4th down. 75-yard punt return for the touchdown, Colorado! Alejandro Matos here to point captain. The kick is good. And with 5:49 remaining in the first quarter, Colorado 14, Utah 3. As we honor Native American Heritage Month, please welcome to the field dancers from the Wind River Indian Reservation in Wyoming, representing the Northern Arapaho and Eastern Shoshone tribe.
Motherfucking day. All motherfucking zero. Bust day, motherfucker. Zero. Zero. Hey, get in there. Put your hands on these motherfuckers and choke his ass out and turn the fuck up. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, let's go, baby. Let's go.
Get another turnover.
It's time to go.
Turnover.
Turn up. Let's go. Turn the fuck up. Hey, be locked in. Be focused to details and let's put the foot on their motherfucking neck. You understand me? Choke these motherfuckers out. Here we go. Hey, for you, Cam. Get wet on me. Get wet on 3. 1, 2, 3. Get wet. Let's go.
Hey, come here. Don't get fucking selfish, but tap these motherfuckers out.
Yeah.
Really good. They went from here to here. Don't be selfish. Watch the fucking ball and make them tap the fuck out. All right, everybody with me, let's go. Hey, Coach. Play.
Motherfuckers out of here. You hear me?
Hey, look.
He don't want none. They don't want none. Right there. Hit that shit.
Wilson with the keeper. Brought down by number 20, LaFontaine. Is incomplete. Number 3, Colton Hood in coverage for the Buffaloes.
Come on, man.
It's 4th down.
I see it, baby. Keep mounting. Keep mounting. Keep mounting. Keep mounting. Keep mounting. The center. So you see where you got to go because the center's coming back. Dip and go. Dip and go.
Jonte Wester back deep for the Buffaloes.
Communicate! Communicate! Here we go! Here we go! Hey, cheated out! Let's go!
Intercepted by number 12, Travis Hunter. Pass broken up by number 3, Colton Hood. With the score, Colorado 14, Utah 3. At this time, please welcome to the field future members of the United States Armed Services. Each of these young men and women have volunteered to serve in the United States military and will now take their oath of enlistment, administered today by Marine Officer Instructor for CU's Naval ROTC, Captain Brendan McVarish. The oath of enlistment demonstrates the promise these young men and women make to support and defend the Constitution of the United States of America.
All right, this drive right here, all right, starting out the second quarter, it's about to set the tone for the rest of the game. All right, go up 21-3. All right, we start stopping on that neck. Everybody understand that shit? Every time we get a chance to run the ball, we got to run the shit out of it. All right, get tight on our doubles. Anytime we got a double, all right, they shift the there late. We're obviously in it. All right, good job on the backside right there. They shift the there in the hands, and you by yourself. Great job closing that shit down. If you get bare front and they get in the backside, and they, and then obviously you got to close that shit down on the backside. All right, we'll pull the ball if we need to if they want to crash like that. And we'll do some different things for it. All right, be ready for some gas game shit. We might go to box toss or whatever it is, but we're going to stay in 10 personnel. All right, bring the ball down their fucking throat. When we do throw it, all right, protect it up. There's nobody over there that is better than who you face over there.
If you would have got out the series, I'll put you to the game. Y'all been gone. You're calling here. When you was getting ready to get behind them, after that, instead of doing this, I should just right. You would have been gone. Ladies and gentlemen, second inning. They started the bunch. First thing was in traffic. Motion back over. Now, rule is when you come back, you're going to run. I said, people stay in that traffic. Stay in traffic. Stay in traffic, okay? All right?
And you got to understand that. To Excel Energy lineman, Chef.
All right, let's go. Hey, when it's good, not good enough. When better is required, all right? Keep these motherfuckers down here, all right? Keep flying around. Front, it's on y'all, all right? We're going to play some shell. Make them beat us. Don't do anything stupid. Stay away from the quarterback who's not a sack. Nothing late, nothing cheap. Depth is our friend, deep safety, right? Hey, let's go. We know what the fuck we gotta do. Keep it down here. Let's go. There you go. Here we go. There we go. D on me. D on three. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, you gotta get because you know diehard Niner fans, so I got to.
Wilson's pass complete to number 3, Dorian Singer. Tackled by number 35, B.J. Green.
On the court, dominated for the Buffaloes. With a
We'll take it to him. We'll block. All right, back to the tap for you on the long side. All right, you take the play side guy.
followed that up with 6 kills and 4 blocks in a win over Cincinnati. Let's start for Shedeur Sanders and Caleb Day, our Hawks and Hawks athletes of the week.
That means you have this. You understand what I'm saying?
Time now for the Blackjack Pizza delivery of the game. One lucky row has received a prize pack from Blackjack Pizza. Going strong for 40 years in Colorado.
Got 15 seconds.
Medicine man.
With nobody in the feet gap, all right, you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about the way you got somebody crashing down. Don't have no dash. All right, somebody in the feet gap. Let's go. Let's go. We need to go 21 minutes. We got to come down. All right, let's go. What we got? We got.
As part of today's salute to service, they are here to present the check for $190,000 to the CU Foundation for the benefit of student veterans attending CU. This money was raised at the annual Patriots Day golf event held at Boulder Country Club. Presenting the check on Utah 6. No gain on the play, second down and 10 from the 15-yard line. pass complete to number 14, Will.
Playmaker, I couldn't help but overhear you say you love watching Shador.
I love watching them, and I love watching number 12 out here. I mean, it's absolutely amazing to see this dude switch helmets, go from offense to defense. I knew what it took to play one side. I couldn't imagine going to my sideline, getting a cup of water, coming back playing that other side, and being this effective. Only him and Dion has ever done that.
And there's still people doubting if he's Heisman worthy.
No doubt. You got two guys over here Heisman worthy. You see what Shador is doing, and it really is interesting because you realize this is college football at the highest level, and Shador moving around kind of like a man amongst kids. I mean, it's pretty incredible. I really can't wait to see him finish this out and see what he does at that next level too.
And speaking of next level, Zay, we got one of Coach Prime's former receivers now with the Arizona Cardinals.
Yes, sir. What's going on?
Hey, what you think of seeing with your teammates?
I love it, man. You can tell by the record. Yeah, I love it. I love being here. The atmosphere is amazing.
And speaking of atmosphere, I see you soaking up with a Hall of Famer.
Yeah. We just talking about football, talking about ball. Seeing things happen before it's happening and stuff like that. Just picking his brain.
Yeah, we pulling for you, brother. Proud of you.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, you'll be good.
Higher or lower? It's beginning to get cold out. Back in 1951, you think a pair of junior sneakers was higher? With 49 seconds remaining in the first half, the score. Colorado 21, Utah 6.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Did you see that play?
Yeah.
Did you see that? Dog.
Double coverage, high point, and held it when he hit the ground.
Two people, and he still got it. Oh my God.
Coach, uncharacteristic turnover to start the game, but we held in the field goals.
Yeah, that's not who we are. That's not indicative of how we play the game. Offensively, right now, we got to stop struggling. Don't make sense. We got too much firepower. We got too much personnel to do what we're doing right now.
You've asked for special teams to be special, showed up in special.
Yeah, special teams got to be special. You got to be consistent.
What's your message to the team at half?
Hey, move.
What's your message to the team at the half?
We're playing a little harder, man. We're not playing as hard as we need to. God bless you.
God bless you, Coach.
Special teams up.
I got special teams up.
17. Fill up. Okay, hurry up, special team, we gotta go. Now listen. Let's go, listen up. KOR, if they twist, 5, okay? Those 5 and 4, 5 and 5, twist on our returns, middle or counter, stay with your guy. Okay, you got me, man? Stay with the guy. If they twist, stay with them, okay? All right. Listen, be alert for a fat call on punt. Okay, now, RJ, where is he? Where's 5? They can put you on the ball, man. You got to work your magic to get off, okay? All right.
And then huddle up. We said to you then, get your ass down and be ready for the surprise on side. Y'all up there dancing
When
and
you put that
shit.
ball in play, we
Get
got to
your
be
ass
ready.
down and be
Get
ready.
set. Don't give them that cheat. We did that this morning. We went over that this morning, okay? Good call. Say it again.
When they go that two-man shield and they bring the tackle over,
Yeah.
you want to put Tajay on the left guard then and put me on the right guard since he's eligible?
Yeah. Just like we did this.
You at? Okay. So what's happening right here is this guy's blocking outside. They're taking the tackle just as we practiced. All right. In practice, we gave you a Y off, so this guy's in line. Okay. All right. So right here, 41 you're coming right here. 20, you're coming right here. And Amari, you got to fit right in the backside A. You got it? You got to cross. Where you at? All right, so whoever the 3 technique is, make sure he knows that. All right, he's right here. And Cam, you stay outside on that. Are we good? All right, the only other things that you're getting, all right, is the zone read, the read zone, and the stretch. All right, and we talk about it. We have a toolbox on the back side versus the shade 5 side. We can knife it. All right, if anything becomes an issue. Is everybody good with that? All right, so move on to the 12s right here, okay? You got an unbalanced series in some of the North Dakota State plays. All right, so always make sure that we set this 3 technique right here to the inline Y. You good with that, backers? All right, it protects us right here. All right, the play that they're running, they're quick motioning this guy, and then they insert him right here. So 7, Cam, we got you already over there to that side. All right, you just hit this. All right, have a hard edge with the end. This tackle's blocking out on you. All right, we're in the A gap. You've got to get right here. Now you've got to go C to A, 20. Yep. All right, you got me? So you're in the C gap. You're coming over to the A gap right here, and we're good. And then 23, Carter, you're involved in the run game. And this is the one that we talked through on the backside right here. When this quarterback pulls the ball and this guy goes back, we just sit right there, and we should be in good shape for that play. All right, the other one that they're running right here, and we did it all week, we said that they were going to try to get the corners involved in the what? All right, run game. So they get the wide receiver out here in 12, and they're doing this, and they're just running the duo play. All right, so backers, we're getting downhill in our gaps. We got to be good on the double teams. All right, if they try to bounce the ball out, all right, we know our alignments. We're tackling, getting the ball down on the ground. We're corralling the ball. All right, we're corralling the ball. The other play that they're running in 12 is just the duo play. Be ready for the inserts. All right, we're playing Tampa, so we just got to keep coming downfield and fit in the run game. All right, hey, take it to their ass now. In the second half, we got to hit the pass game.
Hey, great fucking job, guys, playing fucking football. Really good job. Keep in mind, you got tight when they put the ball in. Hey, it ain't gonna be easy. We gotta fucking work. We gotta help these boys out on the back end. Y'all got me? Hey, great fucking job though. But keep it alive. Let's make sure we come back out in the second half, reestablish they not fucking running the ball, and let's go get after their ass. Hell of a job. Here we go. Here we go. We gotta set the tone. We gotta set the tone. Let's go. We want to send it home. Everybody up. Let's go. Now that's important right now with this. You gotta ask yourself, how bad do you want it? How bad do you want it? Do you want this life or do you want this game? What you want? It's what you want. It's a difference. It's a difference. You gotta want this game like you never wanted it before. You gotta dominate the guy in front of you. It shouldn't be because of you that we're not being successful. It should be because of you that we are being successful. How bad do you want it? Do not get comfortable. This is not a lead. This is not indicative of who we are. Offense, y'all way better than this. This is some bull junk that y'all doing out there right now. And you know it. When are y'all gonna get aggressive enough to get in your mind, we're gonna run the ball and they can't do nothing about it? That's attitude. That's what we talked about in the meeting the other day. Attitude. What's your attitude right now? We just gonna take the lead right now, run the clock. What's your attitude? Or we gonna go down and be physical? Defense, you up first. What's gonna be your attitude? Dominate. That's it. No more penalties. No more penalties. That's the only way they can compete. Do not give them nothing. They can take it from you. And y'all ain't built like that to let anybody take anything from you. Am I right or wrong? Right. Well, let's go do what we do. Let's start.
Let's turn this shit up, man. Let's go.
Where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
We're from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bring it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's
dog.
why I gave it to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.